I've been looking for you everywhere, Boza. What did you want to see me about?
I've got a special job for you. Organising a carnival party tonight.
Who for?
For Maxine. It's her mileage day.
Really? It's Maxine's...
Shh. It's a secret. Maxine doesn't like being made a fuss of.
Oh, right.
Now, I'm relying on you, Diggs, because I need to dress up as a carnival float.
I can't wait to see that.
Yes. Well, anyway, here's what I want you to do. You will get some...
Right. So I need you guys to pick up the empty oil drums and remember, don't let Maxine know what's going on.
We do know how to keep secrets, you know, Diggs.
We're really good at it.
Okay, I'm off to see Carl.
Let's go, Scooch.
Okay.
Oh.
Do you mind? We are getting changed. Honestly.
Shh! Carl, it's supposed to be a secret.
Sorry, Diggs. I just love parties.
On dressing up, I'll be joining Boza on Clock as a fabulous float.
Right, I'll go and fetch the coloured lights for you now. Varoom,
Please.
Sorry. Oh. Carrie, you'll never guess what I've just seen.
You're right, I won't. Come on, Scooch. We've got to get these drums loaded.
Okay.
There. And I'll take 2 more.
How are you going to make these oil drums sound like musical drums?
Easy, Scooch. Just like this.
Who let the carts out? That sound reminds me of carnival time.
Carnival? Oh, no. I just knocked it by accident. These are for filling up with
Old oil!
old oil. That's it. Bye, Maxine.
Yes, bye.
Got to get oiling.
Oh, those young machines. Always in a rush. Now, where was I going? Oh, yes.
Not now, Maxine.
But I only wanted cement.
Oh, Maxine.
Careful there, Diggs. What are you doing being in such a hurry?
Nothing. Or, something. But what, I don't know. I've forgotten. Bye.
There's some strange stuff steering everybody today.
Wunderbar, Diggs. I love parties.
Yes, I know. Oh, hello, you two. Maxine nearly caught me. I had to cover.
She nearly caught us too.
Do you think she knows?
Maxine never celebrates her mileage day. She won't suspect a thing.
Oh, well, that's good then.
Is that the lighting finished, Carl?
Uh-huh. Now it's time for me to put on my best outfit.
Okay. I'll wait a few minutes to let you get ready. Then I'll call Maxine.
Well, I suppose it's an early night for me. It's been such a strange day.
Right. Time to party. Would Maxine report to the site depot? Would Maxine report to the site depot?
Now what? Hello? Hello? Where is everyone? I don't believe it.
Happy Mileage Day, Maxine!
You're pulling my pistons.
No, we had to keep it secret because you don't like being made a fuss of.
That's right. I don't. But no one's ever put on a carnival for me before.
Ha! Well, you always do things for us, so this is our way of doing something for you.
Oh, I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything, Maxine.
In that case, I'm gonna sing. Everybody loves to celebrate. Oh, celebrating with my friends is great. We don't need to have any reason to celebrate. That's what we're gonna do. Carnival, carnival. Let's have a ball. Come on, let's have a ball. Carnival, carnival. It's party night for one and all. Today is Maxine's Happy Mileage Day. All my friends are gathered here to say we're your buddies from construction sites. We've worked all day so we can dance all night. Carnival, carnival, let's have a ball. Oh, let's have a ball. Carnival, carnival, it's party night for one and all.
They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.